Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use automations in Kajabi. Automations are powerful tools that help you streamline your marketing processes, save time, and ensure your customers receive timely communications without you having to manually send each message. Let's dive into how you can set these up effectively. First, open your web browser and head over to kajabi.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to sign into your account by clicking the login button and entering your credentials. If you're new to Kajabi and don't have an account yet, simply click Get Started to create one. This will give you access to all the automation features we're about to explore. After logging in, direct your attention to the left navigation panel where you'll find various menu options. Click on Marketing, and a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, select Automations and click on it. This is where all your automation magic happens, allowing you to create workflows that run in the background and handle repetitive tasks for you. Once you're on the Automations page, look toward the top right corner of your screen and click on New Automation. This will present you with Kajabi's library of automation blueprints, which are pre-built templates designed for common tasks like tagging new contacts from forms, sales nurture sequences, and funnel links. Take a moment to scroll through all the available templates to see what's offered. These blueprints can significantly speed up your setup process since they're already structured with best practices in mind. If none of the templates align with what you're trying to achieve, you'll notice a button on the bottom right corner that says or start from scratch. Clicking this gives you a clean slate to build a completely custom workflow tailored to your specific needs. For this tutorial, we'll use one of the simpler templates to get you familiar with the process. Let's select the Sales Nurture automation and click on it. This will redirect you to the Workflow Editor page, where you can see the entire automation sequence laid out visually. Now take a close look at the trigger commands and the steps that define how this workflow operates. Each step represents an action or condition in your automation sequence. Click on each step individually to customize it based on your preference and the specific workflow structure you need. You might want to adjust timing, change email content, or modify conditions that determine when actions occur. Once you've made all your adjustments and you're satisfied with how everything is set up, click Save to activate your automation. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.